Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to another video. This is the same video I made. The topic is how to make product cards in e-commerce website. So what is product card? So in a e-commerce website, every businessman has something special products, has something products customers can customers can buy the product. So my it is the network issue, my internet has gone, so I have to make two videos in one topic. So this is the same topic, this is the same topic of the video. So what is our topic? How to make a product card. So let's go there, and we will see. Now we will see the product cards photo. I am extremely sorry to make two videos at a time. So this is the same topic. We have to make product cards. So we can see the product cards. What is the product cards? Face primer, micellar water, nail polish, tonic lotion, powder puff, lipstick matte, eyeshadow guard, soap natural. So in every e-commerce website we have something special, we have something product cards, otherwise the customers can buy our products, so we have to sell them. So as a businessman, we think that our developers mind is we have to make them some product cards. So as we know our product name is, our project name is e-commerce site. So normally we will write e-commerce, MERC, e-commerce site, and just open it. Just I will explain the course, after that the video will be finished. So I am so sorry again for two videos. Next time I will be careful. So let's start guys. So we have to summarize something we have made. So guys, as we know, we have to remind something, we have to summarize something. What we do in these components in this file: cons product, name, price, image. This is product number 1. What is the name of the product? As we know, we have to go to the images. So in this photo we have face primer, micellar water, nail polish. Face primer, price, micellar water, price, nail polish, price, tonic lotion, price, powder puff, price, tonic lotion, price, powder puff, price, lipstick matte, price, eyeshadow guard, price. Lastly we have shop natural. Where is the shop natural? This is the shop natural, $42. So we have write $42. Just the images will be some difference. So we will do it first, and we will learn how to write this code and what is the meaning of this code. And before that we also have to link the beauty match file at here. So let's get started. I have made a simple file for you guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the document. So guys, let's start it so slowly. First of all, we have to understand what is import in Next.js project. What is import? What do you mean by import in Next.js project? Import image from Next.js project. This line imports the images component from Next.js. Instead of using the normal HTML image tag, Next.js provides the image tag, and it automatically optimizes the image. Support lazy loading by default. It improves website performance. It helps improve SEO. It loads images faster than a normal image tag. ওকে, তো এখন আমরা যদি বাংলায় বলতে চাই, ইম্পোর্ট মানে কি, নেক্সট.জেএস এর একটি প্রজেক্টে আমরা যখন একটি ইমেজকে ইম্পোর্ট করি তখন আমরা কিভাবে বুঝবো যে, তো যখন আমরা কোনো একটি কাজ করি, অর্থাৎ যখন আমরা নর্মালি বাজারে যাই, তো তখন বাজারে গেলে কি হয়, যদি বাসা থেকে সেই পরিমাণ অর্থ না দেওয়া হয় তাহলে আমরা বাজার করতে পারি না। যে এই যে অর্থ দেওয়া হয়েছে এটিকে বলা হয় রাস্তা। তো রাস্তা মানে কি, এইটা কি বলা হয়, একটি কানেকশন যার মাধ্যমে আমি টাকাটা পেলাম, এর ফলেই আমাকে বাজারটা করতে পারবো। আদারওয়াইজ যদি টাকাটার কোনো মূল্যই না থাকতো তাহলে আমরা প্রত্যেকদিনই ইচ্ছা মতো বাজার করতে পারতাম, কিন্তু এখানে একটি শর্ত আছে, আমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে, আমাদের থেকে টাকা লাগবে। তো এখানে ইম্পোর্টটা আসলে ঠিক ওভাবেই কাজ করছে, ইম্পোর্ট ইমেজ ফ্রম নেক্সট জেএস। সো নেক্সট স্ল্যাশ ইমেজ, আর এখানে প্রথমে একটি কি সেমিকোলন দিতে হবে, কোলন, এন্ড লাস্টে কি এটাকে এন্ড করতে হবে। এটার মানেটাই হচ্ছে কি নেক্সট জেএস। সো এখানে দেখতেই পাচ্ছি আমরা যখন আমরা বিউটি ম্যাচ ডট টিএক্স এ যাবো, when we will go to the বিউটি ম্যাচ ডট টিএসএক্স ফাইল, আমরা যে প্রোডাক্ট কার্ড গুলো বানিয়েছি সেগুলোর মানেটা কি, ইম্পোর্ট ইমেজ ফ্রম নেক্সট স্ল্যাশ ইমেজ। সো ইন ইংলিশ ইম্পোর্ট ইমেজ ইজ সো ইম্পর্টেন্ট for in a Next.js project. So after that we have const products is equal to third bracket. So what is the products? I mean what is the product cards? Name, price, image text. So then we will go again. So what do you mean by const products is equal to third bracket full stop products in an array, products in an array। একটি products হলো একটি array অথবা রাস্তা যেখানে Next.js আমরা লিংক আপ করি। It stores multiple beauty products. So in every e-commerce site we have multiple products to show to our customer, or we have to sell something and the customers have to buy something. So we can show many products to the customers by this. So products in an array, it stores multiple beauty products, like if we go to our photos, face primer is one kind of products, micellar water is one kind of products, nail polish is one kind of products, tonic lotion is one kind of product. So by this we can store multiple products in Next.js. So each items inside the array is an object. এই আইটেমগুলোর ভিতরে যতগুলো অ্যারে আছে সেগুলো এক একটি অবজেক্ট। তো তাহলে প্রত্যেকটি অবজেক্ট কি করে, প্রত্যেকটি অবজেক্ট এক একটি বিউটি প্রোডাক্টকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করে। সো এভরি অবজেক্ট রিপ্রেজেন্ট অন ওয়ান প্রোডাক্ট, every object represent one product. So we have many items, we have many products. So every array represent one product, every array represent a single product, multiple array represent multiple products. This array acts as the data source for the UI. এটি UI এর জন্য ডাটা সোর্স হিসেবে, ডাটাবেস মানে কি যেখানে আমরা তথ্য সংরক্ষণ করে থাকি। যেভাবে যখন আমরা কোনো রেফ্রিজারেটরে মাছ সংরক্ষণ করি অথবা মাংস সংরক্ষণ করি, তাহলে সেটি আমাদের জন্য একটি গুদামঘর আকারে আমরা এটাকে ব্যবহার করতে পারি। সেই সাথে আমাদের খাবার দ্রব্যগুলো, আমাদের প্রোডাক্টগুলো কি হয়, সেখানে আমরা মাল্টিপল ভাবে আমরা খুবই সুন্দরভাবে এটাকে কি করতে পারি, সংরক্ষণ করতে পারি। সো দিস ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ ডাটা সোর্স। আমাদের সকল তথ্য নথি, all kind of our data will be stored there, will be saved there. We can keep save data at there. This is the meaning of this array acts as the data source for the UI. As a learner I can do mistakes, so please forgive my mistakes and please feel free to comments. You can comment if you have any complaints. So thank you. So after that face primer. After that face primer. What do you mean by face primer? This is the name of the product. So as we can go, if we understand one product cards, then we can easily understand the other product cards as simple as that. Every product cards explanation is same. Each object contains three properties. What is the three properties? First of all, stores the product name. Example, okay guys, example, what is the example? Face primer, this is the face primer, this is the product name. Face primer, this is the product name. What then we have another object means price. আমাদের থেকে আরেকটি অবজেক্ট আছে যার নাম হলো দাম। একটি প্রোডাক্টে অথবা একটি দ্রব্যের নাম প্রাইস না জানা পর্যন্ত একটি কাস্টমার সেটা কিভাবে কিনবে, আমরা যে বিক্রি করব আমাদের একটা নির্দিষ্ট দাম থাকার পরই তো কাস্টমার থেকে আদৌ টাকা আছে কিনা তারপরে গিয়ে সে আমাদের দ্রব্যটি কিনবে। So it is depend on the website. After that we have price, then store the product price, stores the product price. We can store the product price in the database. After that, what is the product price? This is price $65. Images, we have to store the image. The most important parts, what is an image? Store the image path. The image is located inside the public image folder. So Where is the public image folder? If we go to our VS Code Visual Studio Code, then simply we will go slowly. Simply we will go public folder. Here we can find the public folder. Click on that and images. So there are too many images in our project. So if we click on badami1.png, then we can find a new images. So this is called stores the images. So advantages of using an array. Advantages of using an array. What is the advantages of using an array? So we will start from the first point. No need to write the simple HTML repeatedly. We can write the simple HTML repeatedly in a Next.js project or a React project, because in a React project we have to repeat the HTML tag repeatedly multiple times. So this is not possible. After completing the website, you have to change a single project in every page. So the developer can change it manually. So advantage of an array. This is the meaning of advantage of array. What is the advantages of using an array? So this is the advantages, that we don't need to write HTML repeatedly. The UI becomes dynamic. Dynamic means if I change this images later like this, if I go to beautymatch.tsx, then we can see face primer product. So if the owner or the businessman want to change this product, I can dynamically change it by using array. Cons products, right guys? After that, adding a new products only requires adding a new object. So we can easily adding a new object, then the new products will automatically dynamically change. So we don't have to repeat it. We have to cut the HTML tag and again. So this is the advantage of using an array. The codes become cleaner, so it will look better. The components become reusable. Maintenance become much easier. So we can save our time. So after that, export default function beauty match. You can see. So after going to the business code, so this is the 8 product cards. We can count it. Product 1, product 2, product 3 is nail polish, product 4 is tonic lotion, product 5 is powder buff, product 6 is lipstick. So there are 8 products. So what is the meaning of this line? Export default function beauty match. Export default function beauty match, and after that return. So go to the file again. So we can see what do you mean by export default function beauty match. So this creates a React function components. In a React.js project or a Next.js project, we have multiple functions. As a React developer or as a Next.js developer, we have to understand these things before, or these things primarily. So export default function beauty match. So export means we can export a single file multiple times. We can import multiple times a file by export default function. What is the beauty match means? This is our component. So the component name is beauty match. It is returns JSX. The export default keywords allows this component to be imported into another file. So like one file, 2 file. So we can input this number 1 file to many files by import by the help of export. So import beauty match from ./beauty match. This is the import. We can export it. And now what is return? Every inside return is displayed on the web pages. So in every web pages we have display return. Why return? So this is the help us to show the home pages correctly or clearly. React renders this JSX into HTML. We don't need to write the HTML tag again and again. So we will write it in a different way. So this is HTML tag, but we can still write it like Tailwind CSS. So simply it will too much easier, too much simple. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It looks like HTML. It allows JavaScript and HTML to be written together. React converts JSX into HTML before displaying in the browser. I mean, we will use the same HTML code. আমরা একই HTML কোডগুলো আবার ব্যবহার করব, কিন্তু এটি JSX এর মাধ্যমে কি করবে? HTML টাকে কনভার্ট করে দিবে, যাতে আমরা রিঅ্যাক্টের একটি প্রজেক্টের মধ্যে সেই HTML এর মাধ্যমে যে পেজটি আমরা তৈরি করেছি সেটি দেখতে পারবো। কিন্তু কি দেখবো আমরা আমরা Next.js এর প্রজেক্টটি দেখব। তারপরে সেকশনটা কি, what is this section class name maximum width 7xl margin auto px6 py4. This is the main container of the antenna section. This is the main container of a antenna section. Max width 7xl sets the maximum width of the section, prevents the content from becoming to mx or mx2. Mx auto means margin auto centers section horizontally. So this is the, I think this is the box, so it is positioned in center. So after merging auto it will not move a little bit. So PS6 adds left and right padding. It is means padding. Left side, from left side we give 6 padding, and from the right side we give 6 padding. So PY4 adds top and bottom padding. From top we can give 24 pixels padding, from bottom you can give 24 pixels padding. I think this course I don't have to understand at all, because we simply take a div, after that we simply take a p tag, after that simply take a h2 tag, and this is the text 5xl tracking, means we can we have to give a beautiful styles with it. So I am going to skip it. So just you have to understand what do you mean by tracking 4xl. You have to understand what do you mean by tracking, because this is new for us. So tracking 4 pixel means adds 4 pixel spacing between letters. আমরা অক্ষরের মধ্যখানে কি করব, 4xl করে গ্যাপ দিব অথবা 4 পিক্সেল করে প্যাডিং দিব, তাহলে adds 4 pixel spacing between letters. Adds is a letter, spacing is a letter, between is a letter, letters is a letter. So 4 pixel spacing between letters. Okay, 4 pixel is the size, makes the heading more elegant. Okay, now we will go directly product dot map first bracket product is equal to key product name. What is the meaning of these things? Okay, let's go. Okay, so we can see product dot map. What do you mean by product dot map, and why we write like this? Map looks through every object inside the array. Map looks through every object inside the array. If we don't have any map, then the object is incomplete. So in every array we have to map it. For every product, React creates one product cards. Without product cards, the customers can see our price and they can buy our things or buy our products, buy our items. Since there are 8 objects, React creates 8 products cards automatically. React কি automatically নিজে ভাবে কি করে product card তৈরি করে ফেলে. What is a product? Simply we will skip it, and key is equal to second bracket product dot name. What do you mean by that? Provides a unique key for each card. Without unique key, the products don't have any identity. So we have to give a products a unique key for each cards. React uses it to identify each element. So no identity without product dot name. Like my name is Imamur, your name is like Karim, your name is like Johnson. So we have to give a different and unique identity by creating a unique key. Improves rendering performance, helps React updated only the change elements. So if we only change the elements, then then the product will change. So what is a product card? Centers all contents inside the card by using text center. So it helps us to the text I mean the product card name or a p tag. So it will text center by using text center. What do you mean by group? Creates a parents hover group, allows children elements to respond the parents is hovered. After that, images container div class relative age 180 pixel, mb is equal to 8. What is relative? Makes the parents position relative. We have to position it relative. Required when using the field property in the Next.js image component. Required when using. So we are using the field property in a React.js. আমরা কি করছি, রিঅ্যাক্টের মধ্যে ফিল্ড প্রপার্টিটা ব্যবহার করছি, যার কারণে এখানে ইমেজের মধ্যে অবশ্যই আমাদেরকে পজিশন রিলেটিভ করতে হবে। তাছাড়া এটি একটি শর্ত যে আমরা এখানে কি ফিল্ড প্রপার্টিটা ব্যবহার করছি। ইট ইজ এ রুল, ইট ইজ এ কন্ডিশন লাইক required when using the field property. If we use the field property, we have to position it relative, but we have to position relative the div, I mean the container. So age 180 pixel means height, sets the image container height to 180 pixel. Right guys, MB4 is equal to MB8 is equal to adds bottom from margin. So I'm gonna skip it from top or from bottom. We are gonna fix the margin to 8. Next.js components, images components, image displays the product images. SRC means source is equal to product.images. Now what is the meaning of product.images? So let's go slowly. Sets the, so we don't have many much time. The previous video about 30 minutes. What do you mean? It was about product cards. It also about product cards. So for the internet issue I have to make 2 videos. Sets the images source dynamically. আমরা ইমেজ সোর্সটাকে ডাইনামিক্যালি চেঞ্জ করতে পারি। যখনই একটি ওয়েবসাইটের ভিতরে আমরা বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রোডাক্ট ওয়েবসাইট তৈরি হওয়ার পরে গিয়ে আমরা এই প্রোডাক্টটিকে কি করতে চাই, আমরা চেঞ্জ করতে চাই, তখন আমরা প্রোডাক্ট ডট ইমেজ এই সোর্সটার মাধ্যমে আমরা কি করতে পারবো, এটিকে অটোমেটিক্যালি চেঞ্জ করতে পারবো। সো after creating the Next.js website we can change the image source dynamically by using product.images. Alt is equal to alternative text. What do you mean by fill? After using relative position relative makes the image fill the parent container. The whole container will be fill up. Object content keeps the origin image ratio, prevents image distorting. Group hover scale is 110. Enlarge the image to 110% when hovering over the product cards. After move mouse on the product image, then it will hover automatically. By using group hover means we have 8 product cards in a group and then hover. After that scale 110% hovering. So transition makes the animation smooth. What do you mean by duration? 500. Animation duration is 500 millisecond. Milestone, not, it's not milestone, it is millisecond. 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to 5 seconds. Products name. What do you mean by products name? After give product dot name in a HTML tag, then display the product name dynamically. It will show us the name. Use JavaScript expression inside JSX. That's it. Nothing we have to describe right now. So we have just product dot prices. We have to understand the pricing thing. Dynamic data rendering. The following values are rendered dynamically from the products array. Product dot name, product dot price, product dot image. React automatically updates the UI wherever the data changes by using key dynamically data rendering. What is Tailwind CSS classes used to? This is the Tailwind CSS classes. So that's it. React components concepts used. This concept demonstrated several important React components. Function components, we have to first do some functionality, JSX, arrays, objects, dynamic rendering, JavaScript express inside JSX, map function, React keys, components reusability, Next.js feature used. Next.js এর ফিচারে গিয়ে আমরা কি কম্পোনেন্টে কি ব্যবহার করতে পারি। So this is the advantages of Next.js feature used. Overall summary. So we can read the overall summary in English and Bangla too. So first of all we will go English. The beauty matches components is a responsive products showcase section builds using React. Next.js and Tailwind CSS products information is stored in a JavaScript array and the map represent repetitive HTML. The Next.js image component optimize images for faster loading and better performance, while Tailwind CSS handles the loading, so the layout, spacing, typography, responsive and easy to maintain, allowing developers to add, remove or update products simply by modifying the data array instead of changing the UI structure. So that's it for today. Our product cards is ready. We didn't show the product card, so simply we will go to the terminal and we will go to the new terminal. So we can see that our terminal has opened. So we will simply write npm is equal to run dev, npm run dev. We can see after that we will click enter. Okay, so after that we will click control and after that we will click with the mouse. So we can see that our output has come in the database. sorry, in the VS Code. So what we have learned, so we can see that our slider animation part or sweeper.js is simply moving, and in the last video we have seen, so in the last video we have seen 3 images, but in this video we have seen what is our product card. So this is the our product cards. Okay, so simply we will go to Chrome browser, or simply we will click localhost 3000 or 3000 enter. So we can see after hard working, after a long time, we can see that our output has come. Free shipping on international orders, login button, click, close. After that, our left arrow icon, right arrow icon. Then in the previous video we have made 3 divs. So in this video we have made this. So if you can look 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what does it mean? Face primer, micellar water, nail polish. So okay, so we can see the CSS has keeps correctly. In the Visual Studio Code, we will go to the beautymesh.tsx and close it. We can see we didn't make any, we didn't match any, we didn't add any images at right here. My pronunciation mistake, my English is so bad, so I am sorry for you guys. So those who are seeing my video, you are most welcome and give me inspiration. And if you have any complaints, so you have feel free to comment. You can comment, don't worry. So I have add 1 images at here, face primer images slash b1 png. So Control S. After that we will go here and reload, so we can see the face primer. I hope the images is okay, right guys? So guys, that's it for today. We will take just 2-3 minutes more. Just we have to add our images. So b1, so as we can see after b1 we have b2. So b2.png must, you have to write .png must because all the images in png format. b3, simply we will go slowly, no rush. So b4, we don't have b4 but we have d1. So proceed, just 8 products guys, 4 images has gone or has finished. So products 5, proceed. Simply we will write m1, right guys? The first video was too bad, but now in this video I have learned so many things and I have teach so many things. So like this we will complete the whole project by Next.js. And 5, last one, you have to be careful when you have link up the images. So M7, right guys? So simply you have to Control S. After that you can go to your Chrome browser. So after that you have to click on reload page, so you can see our whole section is ready. What is our section? The product cards. So I know that this is not lipstick, it is a natural something beauty. So I have attached the wrong images right now, but you can download the correct image. After that you can attach the images. So in this video I have made 2 videos in one topic. What is the topic? Create product cards in Next.js project e-commerce website. So let's take a summary into our website, right guys? Wishlist icon, home icon, no, it's not icon, home menu, about us, blog, shop, portfolio, contact. Login button is okay, but we didn't make shopping cart page right now. So this is so important in e-commerce website. We will create it after 2 videos. After making 2 videos, the next video I will make another slider animation in the next video, I think, but I have not decided it. So you can see the slider animation is working as well as fine. Bamboo collection, the 3 deep cuts in the previous video. So finally we have made the perfect shapes. Find your beauty match, add iOS, EOS, and this is a French language, I think. So one product cards, two product cards, three product cards, four product cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think the images I think I will change because it's a girl's image, it's not a product image. So this is the tonic lotion, right? Tonic lotion, we have to find tonic lotion. So D1 is not the solution. I will change it to IM5 and cross the one. So after that, Control S, you can see our images will change. See, our images has changed. So it's so simple, but web development is every web developer has to learn many things in every day. This is so hard because after creating AI, after AI, we have become so lazy. So we have to understand the every code. So I made a file for you guys. I made a file for you guys where I have explained every difficult functionality like export default function like this. Many I think import. After that, why we need product.name, why we need product.price, why we need product key, why have to generate a unique key for every product cards like here. So that's it, guys. So bye guys. This is for today. We have made this, and this is our whole code beauty nice.tsx. So thank you guys. Our this is our network issue. So as a web developer, we have to learn many things in every moment, in every day. So please give me inspiration. I think we will complete the whole e-commerce website. In the first video I was so nervous, but in this video I am so confident. After the next video we will be more fast, and we will finish 2 sections if we can. We will finish 2 files. So thank you guys for this. Please give me happiness, please give me not happiness, please give me inspiration. My pronunciation mistake, it will be not happiness. So assalamu alaikum guys, please accept my greetings. I am Imamur, I am a learner and a web developer. So please forgive my pronunciation mistake, I am not so English. So that's it for guys, bye.